Hi, my name is Jamie from meetjamie.com, and I am a licensed insurance agent helping people understand the Medicare program, how it works, and find the coverage that fits their needs. So, if you're a subscriber to this channel, or maybe you've watched some of my videos in the past, I wanted to put this video out here and get some feedback from some of the people who are on Medicare. If you're a Medicare beneficiary, I'd love to have your feedback on this news article that I want to share here with you on my channel. So, um, one of the things that I discuss here on my channel are the different ways that you can get Medicare. And there's basically, and I'm not going to go into a lot of details, but there's basically two different ways you can receive your Medicare benefits. Number one would be through the original Medicare program, often called Original Medicare, or through a private health insurance plan, which is called a Medicare Advantage plan. Um, that's basically the two options that you have in front of you for getting your benefits. Well, if you ever watch TV or you come across on a TV station an ad for Medicare, maybe with a celebrity, a lot of times they'll be talking to you about additional benefits that you can get through Medicare Advantage. And so a lot of times you'll see these commercials that has Joe Namath on it or William Shatner. There's different celebrities that do this, and they say call now for more information on these additional benefits now available in your area. So what happens is that a lot of times Medicare beneficiaries will call this number and they will get switched from one plan to another and not really realize it. And so it's been a big challenge for the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services to handle this because obviously, as you can imagine, they get a lot of complaints. So, one of the things that's happening this year is that they're seeking to put a rule into place that when a Medicare beneficiary wants to enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan, that call needs to be recorded. So, initially it seemed like it would be for these call centers, but now it looks like it's trickling down even into independent health insurance agents. So, in other words, you would speak to an agent on the phone. You would say, "I want this plan," but the thing is that agent would have to record that entire call and store that. So before you tell me what you think, here's the challenge for me, like as an independent agent working by myself. Two problems. One is, how am I going to record the call and also make sure that it's legal, right? And number two, how am I going to store it? Because you have to record the call, but you have to store the call as well. And so it presents a big challenge. And so even though I understand the struggle that CMS has, for me as an independent agent, it creates a big challenge. And so as you can see here, they reference the TV commercials, the um, the phone rings, the person on the other end says they represent a Medicare Advantage plan that will give them additional benefits. So anytime you're watching TV, those additional benefits is what you should be looking out for. They even may recommend a plan that is not available in the call recipient's area. So the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services taking notice of these sale tactics, but the agency's regulations aimed at fighting misleading Medicare Advantage claims are not sitting well with Health Insurance Agents Association, whose members are urged to sign a petition against the rules. And so then there's a notification here for change.org. There's also a link to see if it tells me where it goes, federal registry, that type of thing. And so it just goes through, it talks about the complaints that are coming into Medicare because of the misleading TV commercials, and it goes down and starts to talk about how it will discourage, it could end up discouraging brokers and agents. And so it's just an interesting thing that's happening with Medicare this year that I wanted to bring your attention to if you are a subscriber to my channel. And I also wanted to, again, if you are a Medicare beneficiary, I would love to know your thoughts on this in the comments below. Let me know what you think, because I am genuinely curious about what you would think about having your phone call with an agent recorded. Maybe you think it's a great idea. Um, I don't know. Maybe you'd be morally opposed to it, but let me know in the comments what you think. And again, if you are a subscriber to my channel, I hope you find these videos helpful. If you have questions about Medicare, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.